How to recover deleted Gmail emails even if permanently deleted. Now, almost everyone using Gmail in nowadays has experienced this moment with themselves. You accidentally delete an important email. Maybe it was a client's message, maybe it was a verification code, an invoice, a school or university document, or something you absolutely need it later. And the worst part is when you realize the trash folder right here is empty. At that point, most people are going to assume that the email is gone forever. But in many cases, that is not actually true because Gmail has multiple recovery layers, hidden recovery methods, sync behaviors, and account restoration tools that most users don't even know about. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be going ahead and showing you how to recover recently deleted emails, how to restore emails removed from trash, what to do if emails disappeared automatically, and even how to attempt recovery of permanently deleted emails. Now, before recovering anything, it's important to understand how deletion works inside of Gmail. So basically, when you delete an email normally, let's say I'm going to go delete this one, right? What's going to happen is it does not disappear. Instead, Gmail moves it into the trash folder. So you can simply go ahead, click on trash, and you can find it here. Now, from there, the email usually stays for around 30 days before being permanently removed automatically. Now, that means if you deleted something recently, there is a good chance it is still recoverable in the trash section. However, if the trash has already been emptied, recovery is going to become more difficult, but not impossible. So let's say I'm going to click on delete forever. That's going to be gone. So let's start with the easiest recovery method. Inside Gmail, this is the case, it's not permanently removed. You're going to open up the sidebar over here. Once you open it up from here, you go to trash. Here, you're going to see the emails that were recently deleted. To restore one, you're simply going to go ahead and right click on the email, click the move option, send it back to inbox or another folder. Now, this instantly goes ahead and recovers the situation. Okay. And honestly, most recovery situations are going to end here because many users simply forget to check trash first. Now, here is something important. Sometimes emails are not deleted at all, they're archived. Now, archived emails disappear from the main inbox but still exist in your account. So, inside Gmail, use the search bar and type in different key names. Okay, you could type in keywords, you can type in sender names, subjects, or even dates. You can also search you can write anywhere. Now, once you search this up, what's going to happen is this forces Gmail to search across all folders. A lot of missing emails are actually sitting in archives or labels, not actually deleted. So, it is quite important to go ahead and do this step because what's going to happen is it's going to allow you to get a pretty consistent and good idea of where your things actually are. Okay. And doing this is obviously just a good method and a good step-by-step process to get the proper functionality out. So do make sure to use this for yourself when you're in a pickle like this. Now, what we're going to do is talk about permanently deleted emails. Now, if emails have already been removed from the trash, Gmail is going to still have a recovery request system. Now, this is especially useful if emails disappeared unexpectedly, your account got hacked, sync issues have occurred, or deletion happened accidentally. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to official Gmail message recovery tool through Google account help, or you can come over here and write Google email recovery tool. Okay, you can simply search that up and you can go ahead and run it up. Now, what's going to happen is it's going to go ahead and redirect you to the actual website. Here we have Gmail message recovery tool. It's on the Google very own account and help center. Now, what's going to happen is that this tool allows you to request restoration of missing emails. Now, this is quite important because this method does not guarantee recovery, but in many cases, especially recent deletions, Gmail may restore emails from server backups. Now, sometimes emails may disappear because of sync behavior across devices. So, for example, you could have Outlook syncing incorrectly, Apple Mail removing emails automatically, third-party email apps misconfigured. Inside your Gmail account settings, review connected devices and app permissions. You may discover an external app accidentally modified or deleted emails. Now, another hidden cause of disappearing emails is going to be filters. So inside the Gmail settings, you can go to filters and blocked addresses. And of course, getting to that, what you're going to do over here in Gmail message recovery tool is simply go ahead, click on continue. Now it says, unfortunately, your missing emails were permanently deleted and we can't get them back. As I said, it is not a guaranteed get back. If it is possible to get them back, Gmail will do it for you. If it is not, then in that case, you cannot. Now, moving on to the filter section. Now, what you can do is you can go ahead and use filters over here. Sometimes filters automatically are going to archive your emails, delete your messages, and forward them elsewhere. Now, this is surprisingly common, especially if you created filters years ago, or maybe your account was compromised, or automation settings were misconfigured. Now, if you use a business school or company Gmail account through Google Workspace, administrators may be able to restore deleted emails even after removal. Now, admins can sometimes recover deleted user data within limited recovery windows. So if you are using a work or school account, contact your administrator immediately. Timing does matter because normally trash keeps email for around 30 days. Recovery requests work best shortly after deletion. Older permanently deleted emails become much harder to restore, so the faster you act, the better your chances. Now, let's actually talk prevention, because avoiding email loss is much easier than recovering deleted data later. Enable 2FA for yourself, review the filters regularly, avoid any type of suspicious third-party applications, archive instead of deleting important emails, and back up critical conversations when necessary. Now, recovering deleted emails in Gmail is often much easier than people think. The key is understanding where emails actually go, how emails or Gmail manages deletion, and which recovery tools are available. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.